The president of the NMA, Dr. Kayode Obembe, told the resident doctors not to sign any letter of disengagement or accept any substitute appointment with government hospitals. The association also noted that while the doctors remain prepared to help control the spread of the Ebola virus disease in the country, government should resolve every outstanding issue on the 24-point demand, failing which the strike continues.
24 hours after the presidency approved the suspension of the residency training program for doctors in the country, as contained in this letter, the Nigerian Medical Association led the doctors to a protest in the nation's capital.
Great Nigerian doctors! Yesterday morning, we woke up to the shock that the government of Nigeria has suspended residency training in Nigeria. What it means is that the Nigerian government has closed down all teaching hospitals, has closed down all medical schools, and has said that they do not need specialists again in Nigeria.
Minutes later, the association enumerated its observations on the suspension and criticized the federal government for not doing enough to resolve the issues that led to the protracted strike.
For the avoidance of doubt, no medical doctor, no matter how hungry, should pick up any locum appointment with the government hospitals as directed by the circular. Any doctor who flouts this directive does so at his or her own peril.
In spite of this instruction, the NMA president directed the resident doctors to remain committed to containing the Ebola outbreak.
Nigerian Medical Association demands immediate withdrawal of the suspension circular and unconditional reinstatement of the so-called SAG resident doctors. Rather than abolishing residency training program, government should show more commitment towards improving the already poor-funded program.
What is wrong? What is wrong in the system? When we come here, we can't value what we have. The government of the nation does not want the health system. That is the summary of that action.
With about 16,000 doctors laid off, the main question here is who will run the hospitals? Right now, the federal government does not handle this appropriately. The health sector runs into further crisis. Gloria Umezuke, Channels Television News.